So, considering Oppo's recent flagship smartphone's performance, especially when it comes to photography, it is understandable why the hype is building around their upcoming Find X9 series, which includes the Find X9 and X9 Pro. Earlier leaks have already shared that Oppo is bringing a massive change to the camera setup of the Find X9 Pro, and now we have got the core camera details and other specs. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So for the fans, though so far we didn't receive the real life look of the device or any render from a concrete source. However, a render is circulating online suggesting Oppo will finally say goodbye to a circular camera island in favor of a squarish camera island. Anyway, I will keep you updated on this. Now let's talk about its cameras. So from the quad camera setup on the Find X8 Pro, which comprised of a unique dual periscope sensor setup, the Find X9 Pro will feature a 3 camera setup. So the primary camera is said to be the 50 megapixel Sony LYT828. It will have a sensor size of 1/1.28 inches and an aperture size of f-stop 1.8. If we compared, it is a slightly bigger sensor size compared to the one on the Find X8 Pro. So we're gonna call it a good improvement, as larger sensor sizes can capture more light and so it can offer better image quality and details. Then there will be a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and instead of 2 periscope sensors with 3 times and 6 times optical zoom, now there will be a single 200 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. For details, it will have a 1/1.56 inches sensor size, which is a fairly bigger sensor size compared to the periscope sensors on the Find X8 Pro. Now, though with this change, we will lose the 6 times optical zoom sensor. However, brands like Vivo and Xiaomi already using 200 megapixel periscope sensors. Besides, it will also depend on Oppo, as alongside technical specs, a larger part of camera quality depends on software optimizations. And Oppo is quite good in that department, so hopefully we will see improved results. Further, there is also said to be an upgraded selfie camera, a 50 megapixel sensor with autofocus instead of 32 megapixel. Another highlighting part of the Find X9 Pro will be its massive 7550 mAh of battery. This battery can be juiced up by 80 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging support. In terms of other specs, the Find X9 Pro will have a flat 6.78 inches OLED display and will be powered by the upcoming Dimensity 9500 chipset. Anyway, I will keep you updated as we are likely to get some official details and teasers soon. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.